What's up, everybody? It's your girl Star here, back to y'all with another video. Finally, allergies are starting to go away, so I could be back up uploading videos. So this is my sister's nails and what they look like. But if you want to see what they look like when I get finished, stay tuned. So right here, I am going in with my Melody Susie Scarlet Drill that I love so much. I am using a extra coarse ceramic drill bit to file down all this gel polish so that we can get ready to go in with our primer, push our cuticles back for our application. Now that all that polish is off, I am just going in with my straight edge nail clipper. And she had these on for over 4 weeks, so her nails growed out pretty good. So I'm just trimming down the acrylic down to where her natural nail is, so that it is basically just an overlay. So now that I've got the nails all trimmed down, I am going in with my hand file. This is a 180 grit hand file, and I'm just reshaping them, defining that shape and making sure that it's nice and smooth where I clip it down at, so that we could go ahead and put this, lay this acrylic so that her nails can be popping. This is actually her birthday nails, because her birthday is going to be in 3 days, so she decided to get a beautiful fresh set for her birthday. So after me trimming them up and shaping them up, getting them all nice and ready, she actually had one that had, when I clipped it, the way it cracked, and then one was encapsulated in glitter, and she didn't want that, but it still saved her real nail. So I'm just going in with a cotton ball soaked in acetone and putting this clip on it, and I'm just going to soak that acetone. It's on 2 separate fingers, so I'm just going to go ahead and soak. As you can see, the acetone dripping. Yes, the cotton ball is soaked in acetone. I am going to go ahead and get that soaked off, and then I'm going to go in and start her application on her other fingers while those 2 are soaking off. Now right here, as you can see, I'm just going in with my cuticle pushers, and I am pushing back her cuticles. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab my my e-file with a sanding band, a 180 grit sanding band, and I'm going to take the shine off of her natural nails, as you can see me doing right here, getting her nails popping and prepped, because she about to be cute for her birthday. Now right here, I'm just getting the container of acrylic that I keep my clear acrylic in. I went in and I primed her nails off camera. I'm just gonna go ahead and get her application started, and I just let you guys sit back and watch. Just wanted to apologize for the crappy angle that my camera is at, but hopefully you can see what I'm doing and get the gist of what I'm doing. So now that I've done all the other nails, I've laid the acrylic on the nails, I'm going to deal with these ones with the clip on them. Right here, I'm just going in with my cuticle pusher and I am scraping off the acrylic that soaked off. Excuse me, sorry you guys, my allergies apparently still lingering. It got me sounding like this. But yeah, I'm just scraping off that acrylic that was soaked off from being in that cotton ball with a clip on it. And then after I scrape this down, I'm just going to go ahead and grab my hand file with that same sanding bit, because she's about down to her natural nail and you don't want to use an extra coarse drill bit on the natural nail plate. So I'm just using that same sanding band that I used to take the shine off the other fingers, and I'm just getting off that excess acrylic that's just left on her nails. And then right there, I'm just scraping it off because it's pretty soft, but it's just still there, you know. That's what a good primer would do. It will have the acrylic sticking. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, you guys. Ooh, damn allergies. Excuse me. But yes, I'm getting that acrylic off so that I could go in and do her application. And as you can see, the clip is still on the thumb, so I'm going to do that one as well. So right here, right now, guys, I am going in. After I've drilled and scraped off the acrylic that was soaked off, I put that cotton soaked acetone back on her finger, and now I'm just going to go in with the thumb and do the exact same thing and scrape and drill off the acrylic that has soaked off. And then I'm going to put the cotton soaked acetone cotton ball back onto her finger with the clip and move on to the next step. So while those are soaking, the fingers that I did actually do the overlay, I'm just going in and just redefining that shape, because as you all know, when you lay the acrylic, it tends to, you know, loses the shape a little bit, and you want that nice, crisp, clean shape, and she wanted square nails. So I just went in after I laid the acrylic while those other ones are soaking and just, you know, sharpening up that shape, getting ready to go around the cuticle with my e-file right here and taking down the bulk, making sure it's nice and smooth. And then after that, I'll go in and then I'll dress the two with the clips on them. So I am using a medium ceramic cone shaped drill bit right here for this final filing. I like to use this because that cone shape lets me get into that cuticle area and get it nice and tight and have it nice and flush with your natural nail. So I don't know what happened to my other clip of me buffing and doing all of that, but as you can see, that is done off camera. So right here, I am just going in with that off-white color. It is one of the mermaid collections from Wet n Wild, I believe. I'm just gonna go in, and this is gonna be these are my accent fingers. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on, and then I will do a gel marble effect once that is all dry. So this is a part right here where I'm just going in with that gel polish, a technique that I learned from lovely Mimi. undoing this swirl. So I'm just laying it on, swirling in the different areas. And then you just go ahead and grab your brush, dip it in your monomer. And it's the same technique you would with regular nail polish that you would use with the acetone. But instead it's gel polish, and instead of acetone, I am using the monomer. So right here, as you can see, it's taking me a few tries to get it down right. It didn't want to act right. I don't know what the problem was, but we eventually got it. And I went in and I put some of the polish. You want to put some of the main color on top of a surface, just a dot, because you want to take a fine line brush to go in and outline to give it that smoky, marbly effect. And that's what I'm doing right here. And then after all of that, we're going to go in and we're going to cure in the lamp, and we are going to top coat, and we're going to put some cuticle oil on, and I will insert pictures of how they came out at the end of the video. So I'll just go ahead and let you finish watching. So right here, I'm going in. She wanted bling. I mean, it is her birthday now. So I broke out the bling, and I'm just sharpening my wax pencil. And we about to bling her out and get her nails popping for her birthday. And the type of, I'm using some gel resin bling adhesive, just some random one that I got off of Amazon for like $7. And these are my AB SS6, SS12, and some other odd shape pieces that I got off of Amazon. So with this gel resin, you do have to cure it in the UV lamp for it to completely dry, and I cure it for a full 60 seconds. That is all that we're going to do for the rest of this video. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. To all my follow subscribers, thank you. My fellow already subscribers, thank you for sticking with your girl. This is how her nails turned out. They are so beautiful, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.